This is Nick Jarkson. Did I say that right?
You got it.
Really?
Yeah, well done.
That's amazing. And you're with Sony.
Correct.
And you have something called KOOV. What the heck is KOOV?
Correct. So KOOV is Sony's first educational product. It's a STEM robotics kit. Teaches coding, robotics, and design for elementary and middle school kids.
So how does it work?
So what you get is you get the physical kit, which can be seen off over there to the left.
Right.
And then you also get the app and software behind it.
Lots of parts, connectors.
Exactly.
Okay.
So there are over 350 parts, motors, light sensors, buzzers, and things like that, as well as the app itself. The app is broken down into three main parts. There's the learning course here, which has over 50 hours of lesson plans. Then there are robot recipes, which are Sony provided robots that kids can follow along step by step on this monitor here.
Okay.
And then they code it using Scratch block coding to bring them to life.
So they're using Scratch, which is very popular.
Yeah, it's
developed
pretty
by
much
MIT,
exactly
okay.
pretty much the standard for what most schools are using
Is
now.
it drag and drop?
It's drag and drop based, and it is variable, so kids can play around with it if they want to change sequencing and timing and things along those lines.
This is great for like maker spaces.
Exactly.
Good.
We're in a lot of schools, maker spaces, and after-school programs. So things like YMCA, Boys and Girls Club, San Diego Public Library. So it's great both as an intro for maker spaces that are just starting out and as a supplement to other maker spaces that might be a little more established.
So show me something really simple that won't confuse me.
Yeah, absolutely. So if you just go into, let's say, a robot recipe here, and then there are all the different tags based on what you want to do. So we'll go down to the bottom and find one of the more popular ones, which is the alligator.
I have a feeling it's going to end up with this
Exactly.
alligator here. I'm just taking a wild guess there.
Yes, sir. So if you go in the alligator, you'll see that this is a difficult robot that's a starter and comes with code.
Okay.
So if you click into it, it'll walk you through step by step on how to make it.
Okay.
And it's all cloud-based, so you can pick up where you left off, and IT loves us because we don't take up any server space.
Cool.
So basically the alligator is going to come in together, and you'll see off over here to the left where it pieces together step by step.
So you have to have two monitors
Nope,
to do this?
Nope,
or?
one monitor. It's just
Okay.
to skip the load, I want to save time for you.
Okay.
So step by step, it's all 360-degree rotate. Zoom in if you can't follow along. The purple lines show exactly how it connects. Then once you're done with that section, and it's all built, it'd take you into the coding. Now this is the parakeet, so we'll jump back over into the alligator
We lost the alligator.
since it's all loaded.
Oh, okay, there we go.
So the coding, exactly, it's all drag and drop, Scratch-based coding. So
So the kids can play with that. They can say, well, I wonder what happens if I take this out. Or I put that back
So
in,
we
or-
provide it so you don't have to start from scratch, but the kids then can play around with it. If you have a
Okay.
kid who's very advanced, what you can do is take out a section of the code and have the child troubleshoot it to see why the robot isn't exactly working well.
Okay.
So it's as easy and as difficult as you want to make
So what grade levels are you
We're ages 8 and up. Our sweet spot is grades 2 through 6, but we are as high up as high schools.
Okay.
Every robot can be built with one KOOV kit. There's no expansion packs, nothing else like that. We have 49 robot recipes now. We started with 23 a year ago, and you get all future releases for free.
And you personally designed this? You
So
made it?
Sony engineers designed
Oh, it wasn't
this,
you.
not me personally.
Because you
I'm-
have a good engineering name.
Yeah, I do. Very the Danish name, definitely.
Okay, so can we make
Yes,
this guy
absolutely.
do something, or is
So
it-
we'll turn them on for you.
Okay.
And this power core might be out of battery by now.
Oh, see, there we go. Just in time for me.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, well.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Wah, wah, wah.
Yeah, he's out of
But
battery.
he would have
unfortunately.
done something like that,
Exactly.
and then he would have opened back up.
So you bring him up, you'd put your finger on this light sensor here. The green and red lights would alternate, and then you have a 1 in 3 chance, a randomized pattern that you code of him biting all the way down on the finger.
Ah, there you go. So actually adding violence into your STEM learning, that's good. That's good.
No, not recommended, of course. Or you can do the locomotive train, which traces a Sharpie pattern that kids draw on a poster board.
Excellent. So what's a KOOV cost?
So KOOV retails at $519.99. That's just the retail price. You'd work directly with a reseller if you want, and one kit covers up to 4 students.
And so if a school district bought 10,000 of them, then it would be just $1 each, right?
Yeah.
Something like that?
We would be more than happy to work on volume, on big purchases if there is a need for, something over 15 to 20 KOOV kits.
So if a district is interested or a library is interested, who would they contact?
So they would contact either myself, my name is Nick Jarkson, my contact info can be found there. Otherwise, if you just go to sony.com /KOOV.
There we go, there we go. Okay, Nick.
So there's my contact info.
Now. All right, there you go.
Otherwise, you can go to sony.com /KOOV, and there's a place to buy direct or an email address there where you can ask questions.
All right, thanks for talking.
Yeah,
Appreciate
thank you.
We're going to put you up online and make you famous.
Appreciate it.
All right, thanks, Nick.
Bye.